In today's video, I will be installing this reddish brown jerry curly wig that I received from SUNBERHAIR. This is their 24-inch 13x4 lace front wig, and the density of this wig is 150%. The lace already came pre-bleached, and it also came semi-pre-plugged, so it was plucked enough, but if you wanted to go back in to make it look more natural, you can do that as well. Going in with a wide tooth comb to detangle this hair, and I'm just going through it, just picking certain sections, and I'm just going to comb it out. To style these curls, I'm going in with my water bottle, which literally just has water in it, and I'm just going to spray and apply a generous amount of water to this hair just so that it can saturate the wig and I can really form these curls. I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn to enhance my parting space. So here's how the wig looks wet, just for those who wanted to go for that wet and go type of look. This step is optional, but I like to take little pieces of my hair and form little ringlet curls in it. I just feel like the curls really make the hair pop and it just brings the wig out. So I'm using the Tresemme mousse, and I'm just taking the mousse, applying it to that one section and just twisting it with my finger. Now, if you're patient enough or not in a rush, you can let the hair air dry. If not, I like to go in with my diffuser, and the diffuser makes the air drying process 10 times quicker. I also feel like since the air dryer is helping the curls to scrunch up and dry, it also brings a lot of volume to the wig as well. Now I'm just layering and framing these curls to my face. I also feel like layering curls brings so much volume to the hair. here's the final look of this wig, and just a little tip: if you want more volume to your wigs, you want to just flip your hair upside down, shake it a little bit, and toss it back, and that's where all of the volume and just the thickness of the hair will come in. Now back to the final look of this wig. I love the color on this wig. This reddish brown color is definitely giving fall time vibes all the way. I love the actual curl pattern on this wig as well. And the hair was super soft. It was not a hassle for me to detangle the wig or even run my fingers through it. I just feel like this wig is giving off like a fluffy volume type of vibe, and I love that when it comes to curly wigs. So for style number 2, I'll be doing an updo, and I'm also going to show y'all how the back of the updo look towards the end of this video. I'm using the Got To Be High Flex Hold Spray to style my baby hairs. So here's the final look of the updo. I just love a good updo, especially when you feel secure about the bag. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you stay tuned for my next video.